Hi, I'm Ash and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make the easiest and best potato salad. You don't need any eggs, you don't need any mayonnaise. There are only 4 ingredients and it is going to be the easiest potato salad that you have ever made. And because 4th of July is around the corner and summer festivities, you need something that's going to be quick and easy to throw together. The first ingredient is going to be red potatoes. You also need a pack of bacon. You need green onions and a bottle of ranch dressing. You can consider this your red, white, and bomb potato salad for 4th of July. If you want to add blue cheese, this could also be your red, white, and blue potato salad, but just a forewarning, not a lot of people like blue cheese, so you may have a lot of leftovers. As with every potato salad, the longer that you leave it marinating in the juices, the better it will be. So this will last you up to a week if you keep it cold and in the fridge. So let's get started. A trick I like to do to save time when I'm cutting up potatoes is to cut them in half, and then I keep the halves together, and I turn it one more time and cut it again. Then keeping them together, I slice them in smaller chunks so that it's quicker and easier than having to split up the whole potato. So let me show you. First, cut off any parts that look worn or gross. You're going to cut lengthwise, keep the potato together, and cut the other length. Now you have them in 4 sections. Turn the potato, keeping them all together, and simply create chunks. Watch your fingers as you get to the end. all the ingredients with our potatoes and then pop it back in the fridge to let it marinate and all the flavors to combine for probably a good 30 minutes. You could do it for longer if you want, but minimum try to do 30 minutes. So we have the red potatoes. We're going to put in our cooked bacon. Do our green onion. We picked a big bunch, so we may not need all of it. Yeah, should be good. Do some pepper. A little bit of garlic powder. And over salt it. Okay. Now, for the sauce, this is all that you need. You may not want the entire bottle, but you can mix probably like 3/4 of it and then give it a while to chill and taste it and see if it has enough of the sauce on there. If it doesn't, simply pour some more in and pop it back in the fridge. It's like a mountain of potato salad. Gently stir it up. Mix all of those bomb ingredients. mixed it up. I can tell on this own right now that it's not enough ranch, so I'm going to go ahead and add more. Right now it's probably about 3/4 of the entire bottle of ranch, and I think it's going to be just perfect.
Love the yummies.
Mary, come taste it.
Let me get my working man. See what's pretty soon. Wait, it's here. Daddy, open it.
Did you help Daddy with the weeds?
I do.
You did. Good.
Here. Don't squeeze it. Got the horses.
Need anything else?
Let's stick it in the fridge though.
Now that everything's combined, we're going to stick it back in the fridge per the old man's instructions and
You're
let
recording?
it marinate for about 30 more minutes. Yeah, I do. I just got the finished potato salad out of the fridge, and all of the ingredients have mixed and combined to make the most amazing, easy potato salad. Thanks for watching today's episode, and I hope that you subscribe down below as well as hit the bell. If you want to follow me on Facebook or Instagram, or even check out my website, everything is linked down below. I would love to know if you make this recipe. If you do, make sure you come back and let me know how it turned out. Until next time, take care. Boys, time for dinner.